Hey you guys, and welcome back. You are now a part of the workout team, so go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Make sure you click that bell for notifications on more videos. Today we are going to go ahead and do some natural juicing with fresh vegetables and fruits. I have some cucumbers and pineapples, aloe, lemongrass, ginger, kale, and spinach. These are best for detoxing and cleansing the liver. So that is what we're going to do today. I'm going to do a voiceover on everything, and especially with the benefits and things like that. So let's go ahead and get started. I have my juicer here and I have a bowl in place to catch everything. And then for these bottles here, you want to purchase these. I purchased these from Walmart. You probably can purchase them in other places or get some particular bottles that you want to choose, like mason jars or just whatever plastic containers, whatever you want to use. Okay, so let's go ahead and finish setting up. Now, as far as my juicer, I purchased this juicer from Walmart, and it ranged from, I believe it was like $65. So, very affordable in my opinion. They have other juices that you can use, and particularly anything that you like, okay? So let's go ahead and get started. The first thing we're going to start with are our cucumbers. I absolutely love cucumbers. They're very great with detoxing. It cleanses by flushing and removing those toxins from the liver. And not only does it detoxify, it hydrates the body as well. And it's also great for the skin. Next, I'm going to go ahead and add my spinach and kale. Both of these green vegetables together are rich in antioxidants and really high in fiber. And for that, the benefits are just digestion and aiding with constipation as well. Not only does it detox, but it gives you that feeling of fullness. So, and it curbs your appetite. FYI, you guys, go ahead and have a bottle of water ready when you're juicing, because what that does is it just allows everything to break down easier without actually messing up your juicer and possibly burning it out. All right, so the star of this show, of course, is the pineapple. I cut a whole pineapple for this recipe and for this juicing process. What I love about pineapples is that it boosts the immune system while reducing inflammation. Not only does it do that, it accelerates the metabolism, helping you burn fat and reducing stomach mass. So pineapples have great benefits, you guys. I absolutely love them. You should definitely add them more to your eating regimen or diet regimen, whichever you prefer. Even though the pineapples are acidic, I'm going to add some lemons to act as a preservative. Also, it's going to give me some vitamin C for immune boosting, and it's going to help cut the taste of those strong vegetables that we put in the beginning, which was the spinach and the kale. I'm not going to elaborate a lot on ginger, but with the seasons changing and the whole pandemic, of course, ginger is another immune booster. I often get headaches, my sinuses flare up, and ginger helps with that inflammation. And last but not least, I added aloe. I love using aloe. I've been using aloe since I was a little girl, and it gives me great health and skin benefits. Absolutely love aloe. Make sure you guys leave a comment down below on what type of fruits and vegetables you guys like to use when you juice. And what's your favorite juicer? Like, what juicer are you using? Because my juicer is old and I'm looking to get rid of it and just buy a whole new juicer. After everything is juiced and into your bowl or container or whatever you want to use, make sure everything is blended together well. If not, that is totally fine. We can blend it in the bottle. But I just like to blend and make sure everything meshes together, and especially for separation, in my opinion. And I like to put them in these containers here, these plastic containers, which I purchased from Walmart for $1. I'm gonna put that right here. And I'm gonna pour it into this cup first to make things easier for me. I have some excess, so now I'm just gonna pour everything in here, filling it up as much as I can. I want to take another bottle. You can make as much as you want to make. It's your preference. So in that one bowl, it's about two bottles, 2 containers full. Oh, let's just fill it up because I have a little bit here. And let's just fill this up. Ooh, you guys, I'm so excited. I love juicing. I absolutely love juicing. I love the benefits from it. I love how it makes you feel throughout the day. I love that it's natural. And I just love how it fuels the body quicker. I just absolutely love juicing. I really do. Do I recommend juicing for days at a time? No, I don't. But I recommend using and implementing more fresh vegetables, and I found that juicing is the best way to do that. So for that being said, you guys, I will be juicing on these on a regular, daily, or I might do a fast. I'm not sure. But this is what I have. And it's for liver detoxing. So everything we use is for detoxing the liver and cleansing it and getting rid of all those toxins that we put in our bodies. And making things count. Living well, breathing, just being stronger. So yeah, make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and follow me on Instagram. You guys, I will leave everything here so you can see. And yeah, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. That's pretty good. The lemon takes over everything. You can taste the ginger in it, the spiciness from the ginger. You can taste all the greens. Everything is blended well. That's pretty good. Oh my gosh, wow.